Hi guys! Welcome back to Princess Persisty. So right now it's snowing a lot and I haven't seen this much snow where I live. So I'm really excited because I want to be playing in the snow. But first we gotta see how deep this is because I never went through it yet. So let's start. Whoa, it's kind of a little deep. Whoa. Whoa. I kind of feel like I'm going to fall walking. Okay, I'm coming back. Whoa. Wow, look at this. This is very, very deep. Like, just look at this much snow. So now I'm making my snow angel, and that was really fun for me. And it's just so pretty. Look at it. And also the getting up part was kind of hard. So here my sister and me were having a snowball fight, and it was so much fun. We threw tons of snow at each other. Here my sister made a snowball, and it's so pretty. And tell me what you think in the comments. Here I went sledding, so my dad pushed me. And this was so much fun. Like, I kept on wanting to do it again, and I had snow in the bucket, so that was also kind of making me cold, but this was really fun, and I just wanted to keep on doing this forever because it's better when my dad goes fast. So this was very fun for me. Here my sister found a snowflake on my mom's jacket, and it looks really pretty, and I just love it so much, and my sister does too. Now me and my sister are going to make a snowman, so let's start. So here's how our snowman looks, and I cut out some circles to stick on the snowman, and we added eyes, and we added a carrot for the nose, and my sister made a hat and a scarf to put, and it looks really pretty. So I found a frozen lake near my house, and it's all frozen, and some snow fell on it, and I stood on it, and it looks so cool. So my hands feel really cold after playing in the snow. So I'm next to my fireplace to have a little bit of warmness.